If Blender is giving you an FBX import error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to fix it and get your file imported properly. This is a simple, practical Blender FBX import problem solution, and it can save you a lot of time if your model is refusing to open, looks broken, or fails halfway through the import. If this helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick Blender tutorials. First, go to File, then Import, and choose FBX or FBX.FBX. This is the correct path to bring the file into Blender. Once you select your file, the most important thing is to check the source of the FBX. A lot of import errors are not actually caused by Blender itself. In many cases, the file is corrupt, incomplete, or downloaded from an unreliable source. So the first real fix is to re-download the FBX file from a trusted source. Make sure the download completes fully and that the file is not damaged. If the file was interrupted during download, Blender may not be able to read it correctly. After that, go into the Blender import settings before confirming the import. Enable automatic bone orientation. This can help Blender handle armatures and bones more cleanly during import. Then disable leaf bones. Leaving leaf bones on can sometimes create extra unwanted bones or cause rig issues, so turning it off is usually the safer option. If the import still fails after that, try opening a brand new empty Blender file and import the FBX there. Sometimes the problem is caused by the current project file, scene settings, or existing data in your Blender session. If that does not work, restart Blender completely and try again. A simple restart can clear temporary issues and refresh the import process. Also make sure you are using the latest version of Blender because older versions can have compatibility problems with certain FBX files. If you still run into errors, remember the most common cause is usually a corrupt or incomplete file, not a complicated Blender setting. That is why it is always best to use clean, verified FBX files from trusted sources. Avoid heavily modified files, random downloads, or unknown sources whenever possible, because those files are much more likely to break during import. So the full fix is simple. Re-download the file, make sure it is complete, import it through File, Import, FBX, enable automatic bone orientation, disable leaf bones, try a fresh Blender file, restart if needed, and update Blender if necessary. If this video helped you fix your FBE import issue, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Blender problem-solving tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.